In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using ChatGPT and Canva. If you're looking to give your videos a fresh, professional touch that captures viewers' attention, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, we'll start by opening ChatGPT. Head over to chatopenai.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, open a new chat window, as this will be your creative hub for thumbnail ideas. Next, let's tap into ChatGPT's creative prowess to generate some thumbnail concepts. For instance, if your video is titled, How to Use ChatGPT in Excel, you might ask, please suggest 3 thumbnail ideas with short catchy text, a simple background, and color suggestions. ChatGPT will offer you a variety of creative options, leveraging its knack for design to inspire you. This step is crucial because a well-thought-out thumbnail can significantly enhance your video's appeal and click-through rate. Following that, we'll focus on the text elements of your thumbnail. Ask ChatGPT to craft a few text options by saying, could you write 5 short thumbnail texts under 4 words that are bold, clear, and clickable? By keeping the text concise and impactful, you ensure its legibility even on smaller screens, which is an essential aspect of an effective thumbnail. Catchy and clear text will immediately convey the video's theme, drawing in potential viewers right away. Once you have your ideas and text ready, you're going to need a design platform, and Canva Free is perfect for this. Request clear, step-by-step instructions by asking ChatGPT, can you give me simple instructions to create this thumbnail in Canva Free, sized at 1280 x 720? Canva is a user-friendly tool offering a plethora of templates and design elements that make the creation process both intuitive and enjoyable, even for beginners. It's the perfect playground to integrate the suggestions provided by ChatGPT and bring your vision to life. Finally, it's always good to have options, so let's create 1 to 2 quick variations of your design. This can be accomplished by asking, could you make 2 thumbnail variations of the same idea so I can test which looks more clickable? Experimenting with variations enables you to compare and contrast different looks. Variations can differ in color schemes, imagery, or text layout, providing the opportunity to select the design that resonates most with your audience and enhances the engagement of your video. By the end of this process, you'll have crafted a stunning YouTube thumbnail that's ready to attract viewers and boost your video's performance. Now go ahead and try it out. Feel free to play around with designs until you find the perfect fit. Happy designing, and may your thumbnails be as awesome as your content.